Before we leave the jungle market, a couple of follow-ups. First, I finally found someone who identified the creature as what is colloquially referred to as a bamboo rat. It's a cousin to the naked mole rat, but no one in this family looks too appetizing. Second, most people here don't eat their bamboo rats whole. They eat them stir-fried and wrapped in banana leaves. You live, you learn.
This is our bird nest. It's kind of like by the gutter, and now the mama bird is in its nest. Ooh, did you see that? She just swooped down. Try to find that. Here's the nest. She has about 3 babies, and she has a daddy. Sometimes the daddy and the mom are in the nest. Sometimes the mom and sometimes just the dad. So that's about cool thing. See if we can find that mama bird. Don't think we can find. Oh, there are the babies. They're trying to get their food, and there's the mama chewing it up for them and giving them in their mouth. Well, that's about it.